Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will do the question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 5.2 which is related to pie chart. Question number 4 is the adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in examination by a student. It means the pie chart is showing the marks that one student got in examination, student in subject Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the student were 540, answer the following question. It means after adding the marks of all subjects, he got total marks as a 540. Now, when you see the figure, Mathematics central angle is 90 degree, Social Science is 65 degree, Science is 80 degree, Hindi is 70 degree, English is 55 degree. Now, we have to answer the following question. First question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? In the previous questions 1, 2, 3, they given us the angle or something else. Okay, but in this section they given us the marks of 105 and they say which this is 105 is the score of which subject. So, from 105 we will take the central angle, okay, we will take the central angle and we will match our answer to the pie chart. Like our answer is 80 degree, so 80 degree is for subject Science, so Science is our answer. If our answer is 55 degree, so our answer is English. Let's see how to do. So, total marks is 540. Now, angle of 150. Because we are taking the angle of 105. 105 will divide by whole. Whole is 540. Okay. 105 part of 1 divided by whole part and multiply by 360. Okay. 0 to 0 cut. From the table of 18, 36 cut 2 times and 52 cut 3 times. Now we have 105 by 3 multiply by 2. Now, 105 will go from the table of 3 35 times and 35 will multiply by remaining 2. So, 35 into 2 will give us the angle of 70 degree and we can see 70 degree is for Hindi. So, 105 is the marks of Hindi. Now, 105 marks makes 70 degree angle of Hindi. So, this is the first part of question number 4. Now, the second part is how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi. Okay. So, we can see in the mathematics student got 90 degree central angle, in Hindi he got 70 degree central angle. So, we can see 90 degree is more than 70 degree. It means in the mathematics he or she got more marks. So, now what is the score of 90 degree? It means 90 degree central angle is how much the score. Okay. We did not take the marks of Hindi because we already know in the first question Hindi marks is 105. Okay. Now, marks in mathematics is equal to central angle of maths divided by whole angle. Why did we take on the central angle? Because question given us only central angle of each subject and we know whole angle in the pie chart is making the angle of 360 degree because pie chart is making on the circle and whole angle of circle is 360 multiply by total marks. Okay, we are going with the maths. So, firstly on the above side we will put the 90 degree, it will divide by 360 multiply by 540. Now, 0 to 0 cut from the table of 9, 9 will go 1 time, 36 go 4 time. Now, 540 will divide it by 4. When we reduce it, it will give us 135 marks of maths. Okay, and we already know Hindi score is 105 marks from first part. Okay, so more marks in maths than Hindi because we can easily see 135 is more than 105. Okay, so 135 minus 105 will give us 30 marks. It means maths marks is more than 30 than Hindi. Now the third part. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. So we have to see the sum of marks. Firstly portion is social science and mathematics, second is science and Hindi. One more thing they given in the book, just study the central angles. It means we are not taking the value of every subject, we are going with the central angle. So sum of central angles of SST and maths. SST central angle is 65 degree, maths central angle is 90 degree. So 65 and 90 will give us the sum of 155. Same as for science and Hindi. Science is 80 degree, Hindi is 70 degree. Their sum is 150 degree. So we can see 155 is more than 150. So sum of central angle of SST and maths is more because their sum is more. Okay. So here we completed question number 4. Now question number 5 is the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. So we know in the hostel different region students are living. So they speak different language. Display the data in pie chart. So language, number of students. Hindi is spoken by 40, English is spoken by 12, Marathi is spoken by 9 students, Tamil is spoken by 7 students, Bengali is spoken by 4 students, and all together they are sum of the 72 students. Okay. Now we have to draw the pie chart, but we know drawing the pie chart, firstly we have to find the central angle of each sector. Okay. So here I wrote that line, total student is 72. Now firstly we will take the central angle. Okay. Hindi 40, English 12, Marathi 9, Tamil 7, Bengali 4. So central angle, how to take? Part of 1 divided by whole part multiply by 360 degree. This is the process of central angle finding. Okay, so part of Hindi is 40, here is 40, 40 divided by whole part is there. So whole part is 72, 40 is divided by 72 multiplied by 360. So in the table of 72, 360 comes 5 times. Okay, so we have 40 into 5. Okay, 40 into 5, that will give the angle of Hindi as a 200 degree. Same English, it will 72 and 360 cut 1 time and 5 time respectively. 12 into 5 is 60 degree. Okay, same as for Marathi. Here after cutting 72 and 360 will give us 5. So 9 into 5 is 45 degree. Tamil 7 by 72 multiply by 360. 72 and 360 will reduce each other. 360 will give us 5. So 7 into 5 is 35 degree. Last is 4 for Bengali. 4 by 72 and 360. 360 will give 5. So 4 into 5 is 20 degree. So here we taken the central angle of each subject, each language that student are spoken. Now we have to draw the angle of central angle of each language. First language is Hindi. Hindi is 200 degree. So we know here I already drawn the circle and I already drawn the partition. I will explain you. This is the center point of the circle. Here is the radius. Okay. For drawing the 200 degree angle, firstly we will make the 180 degree. Here as you can see I already roughed them, that line that I draw for 180 degree, because we know on the protractor we only have till 180. So firstly we have to draw the line of 180 degree, but we have to take 200 degree. So 200 degree minus 180 degree will give us 20 degree. It means after drawing 180 we have to draw 20 degree more. So after drawing 20 degree more, this much is our angle of 200 degree. And after drawing 200 degree, we will rough the line of 180 degree because that is not usable. Okay, we are using it for drawing 200 degree angle. Now after drawing Hindi, we have to draw for English. So now next time this line will become the base. So from this we will make the angle of 60 degree. Okay, now next time this 60 degree line will become the base. Now 45 degree. So from taking the base here, we will draw the angle of 45 degree. Okay, next is 35 degree, same as previous. This time this will become base and this will give us 35 degree. And this lastly we have to draw 20 degree, and remaining we already see remaining does not need to draw because remaining portion will give us the last thing that in the table. So this is the 20 degree angle, 20 degree center angle. So this is Hindi, this is English, this is Marathi, this is Tamil, and this is Bengali. So here we completed exercise 5.8.